SourceFinder helps when you know your topic but are not sure where to begin. Open SourceFinder from your dashboard. Select your faculty and select your essay frame. This is where your literature review results shall be saved. Add the main ideas you want SourceBank to include in the search. Then add any terms you want to exclude, so the suggestions stay focused. SourceBank then helps identify relevant source material for you to investigate. An in-depth review of 30 sources takes only a few minutes, so you spend less time searching and more time reading. With your research done, you're now ready to structure and refine your essay.